Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your Windows laptop RAM like a pro without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Windows laptop. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your type search here, right here. What you need to do is to simply type in MS Info, just like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to System Information. So click on System Information. So just like so, everything is going to display just like what you see on the screen right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and where you have physical memory is also known as your RAM. So right now I'm running 8 gig RAM on this Windows 10 laptop. So basically this is how to check your Windows laptop RAM without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Windows laptop. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.